I'm in Little Havana here in Miami, Florida. We're gonna do a little tasting tour, gonna eat some food. Look at this. Taste all the good things here in this neighborhood. I'm hanging out with Miami Culinary Tours on their Little Havana food and cultural tour. Oh wow, we got a mojito. Great way to kick things off, right?
Arriba, abajo, al centro.
To kick things off, how about a Cuban sandwich?
That is on point.
But we're saving room for our next stop, a Cuban take on a classic.
We fry everything. Cuban empanadas. Come on, be selfish. Go on. Don't wait for anybody.
I'm biting into this savory pocket of goodness, picadillo, ground beef seasoned with garlic, onion, and pepper.
Oh, that's good. I love the texture.
And now, time for a little pick-me-up to prevent an afternoon food coma.
So I am not much of a coffee drinker, but I love Cuban coffee because it's so sugary. This little cup is the same amount of caffeine as a coffee.
Next stop, when in Little Havana, we gotta check out Cuban cigars.
When it comes to sizes, they're all the same.
This is so cool. You can see how cigars are rolled by hand here at the back of the store. On average, they can make about 150 cigars in a day. Interesting.
I like this guy.
Now, a stop at one of the most famous spots in Little Havana, Domino Park. Folks 55 and over can get a special license to play games of double nines. Everyone is welcome on Social Fridays, the last Friday of the month. I bet that's a blast. This is the heart of Little Havana.
This is Calle Ocho.
We're among the stars. Cuban celebrities and legends are represented here on the Walk of Fame.
Julio Iglesias.
Hungry again?
Welcome to the local bakery. And today we're going to give you a pastry.
Guava cheese. Interesting combo. I like it.
Let me show you one plant that we use for cooking a lot. You guys use cilantro, right? We use culantro.
Culantro.
And popping into the fruiteria.
Fresh mango juice. Oh, that's so refreshing. It's so thick. Can't beat that.
While we're snacking, we're learning about history here at the memorial. Daily life in this part of the world is a lot more comfy with some local flair.
If you're looking for Cuban style, this is the place. You can look at all the different colors of the classic Guayabera shirt. Has 2 pockets for cigars, great for hot climates. It's like a Cuban tuxedo.
And last but not least, we end on a sweet note.
Walk a little bit and then you can eat more.
A foodie tour of Little Havana is a must on your next visit to Miami.